Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. So you guys know what that means. Today I have 6 amazing 5 off $25 scenarios for you guys. You are not going to want to miss it, so please stay tuned until the end. Now, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's right down below. While you're at it, please give the video a big thumbs up. It really does help me out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it's very important to scan each item in the app when you are in the store to make sure that the digital coupons do attach, and also you want to price check because prices do vary from store to store. And here's how I go about checking out whenever I do my 5 off $25 scenarios. So first, you want to ring up all of your items. Then you want to verify that your subtotal is $25 or more, and keep in mind that is before taxes. Now, if your store has the newer keypads, you have to ask your cashier, but if you still have the older keypads in place, it will actually show the subtotal on the screen. Next, you want to type in your phone number and wait for all the digital coupons to come off. Again, if you have the older keypads, it actually shows you which digital coupons come off, and you can scroll up and down on the screen. Then, if you have any paper coupons, I always hand those over last. Keep in mind that if your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, you can always void the transaction and try again, because your digital coupons will go directly back onto your account, and any paper coupons that you may have handed over will also still work because the transaction was never completed. So in these scenarios this week, we're going to be using a couple of rebate apps. So the first one being Ibotta. If you're not already signed up, I highly recommend you go and check it out. They do have a $20 welcome bonus, and if you sign up using my referral code, which is on the screen here as well as in the description box below, you will become a part of my team and we can start earning rebates together. Now, if you're not exactly sure how Ibotta works, I do have a video linked down in the description box below, which will walk you through step by step on how to sign up and use Ibotta. And the second rebate app that we're going to use is called Fetch Rewards. And this one, I highly recommend it, especially if you are new to couponing. This is by far the easiest rebate app out there. You don't have to add anything onto any accounts or anything like that. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on the products that you purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So if you're not already signed up, go download the app. It is super simple and easy. Use my referral code, which is on the screen here, and you will receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Alright guys, so we're about to get into these scenarios, but first, I gotta tell you guys, I made a really silly mistake, and this is the second time that I'm doing this video, but I wanted to tell you guys so that you can learn from my mistake, and maybe this will help a few of you guys out if you're having trouble with your scenarios on Saturday. So, typically, I work on the 5 off $25 video throughout the week. I work on it a little bit here, a little bit there as I get time. And then the very last thing that I do before I start typing everything up is double check the coupons and make sure everything's still attaching. Usually, in the past couple of weeks, that's been Thursday night, late Thursday night. So, last night, I was working on everything, ready to do my voiceover, and it hit me that I did not check on that Huggies glitch. And I will be darned, that thing is gone. That's a dead deal. So if you guys were planning on doing the Huggies glitch tomorrow with your scenarios, that's a dead deal. I'm just super busy, and a lot of weeks I can't keep up with everything that's going on. But I always try to double check everything before I put out my videos, and thank goodness I did. So I had to go back, do a little rearranging, redo my screenshots, all that good stuff. And here we are. But I wanted to tell you guys this because it is so important when you get into the store on Saturday to scan each and every item, because whenever I was a new couponer, that was the #1 mistake that I made. I would think, oh, I've got everything in my buggy, I'm ready to go. We'll get up to the register and things wouldn't work out. And I know it takes a little bit of extra time, but it pays off in the long run if you just go through and scan each item and make sure that those digital coupons do attach. Even if it's not a glitch coupon, the regular coupons mess up all the time too. We know that those don't attach to what they're supposed to sometimes, and then they attach to things that they're not supposed to sometimes. So it happens. So just take that extra time, make sure you're scanning, because even though I check these on Friday, things can change by tomorrow. So I just wanted to tell you guys that. I will shut up now and stop jibber-jabbering, but I've definitely put in the OT this week on the YouTubes. Alright guys, let's get into these awesome scenarios. Alright guys, so for this first scenario, you want to pick up 2 of the Kraft Jet Puff Marshmallows. They're on sale this week, 2 for $2. 2 of the Lay's potato chips for $5. 2 of the Honey Nut Cheerios cereals for $5. You could also substitute some different General Mills cereals if you would like. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Herdez salsas for $3. 1 of the Folgers singles 24 count for $3. 3 of the Folgers single 7 count for $3, 2 of the Nestle Splash Waters 4-pack for $3, and 3 of the Cascade travel size for $2.70. Your subtotal will be $26.70. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. Of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 2 Lay's chips, the 150 off 2 General Mills cereal, the buy one get one free Herdez salsa, the 1 off 1 Folgers, another 1 off 1 Folgers, the 1 off 2 Folgers, the 1 off 2 Nestle Splash Water, the 1 off 1 Cascade, and the 2 off 2 Cascade. Your subtotal after coupons will be $10.70 for 17 items, but hold on, it gets a little bit better. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. We have 500 points on the Lay's chips and 500 points back on General Mills cereals. Then you can also submit your receipt to Ibotta. We do have that buy one, get one free on the Jet Puff Marshmallows, so you get $1.68 back. So final price on this scenario is $5.32 for 17 items. Sorry, that's a typo there, but I'm not going back and redoing any more slides. So it's 17 items, making those just 31 cents each. Alright, so for this second scenario, you want to pick up one of the Tide Simply Plus Oxy liquid laundry detergent 75 ounces for $6.95. 2 of the Snuggle All or Purex products that are on sale, 2 for $8. 1 of the Swiffer Duster Starter Kits for $4.50. 2 of the Gain dish soaps for $4. 3 of the Cascades for $2.70, and 1 Biofreeze patch for $1.75. Your subtotal will be $27.90. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. Of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 Tide, the 4 off 2 Snuggle All or Purex, the 2 off 1 Swiffer, the 1 off 2 Gain dish soap, the 1 off 1 Cascade, the 2 off 1 Cascade, and the 2 off 1 Biofreeze. Your subtotal after coupons will be $7.90 for 10 items, making those 79 cents each. Alright, so here was one of the scenarios that I was really looking forward to, especially with all of that overage, but it still works out really good. So we're going to pick up 2 of the Cottonelle 12 count bath tissues for $10, 1 of the Kleenex 3 packs for $4.50, 1 Scott 6 count paper towels for $5.50, 1 of the Bic Simply Soleil razors for $3.30, 1 Biofreeze patch for $1.75, 3 of the Cascade travel size for $2.70, and 2 of those Kraft marshmallows for $2. Your subtotal will be $29.75. You're going to have $4 in instant savings come off first at the register, and that's going to bring your new subtotal down to $25.75. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So you want your 5 off 25, 1 off 1 Cottonelle, 1 off 1 Cottonelle from the 627 Smart Source, 1 off 1 Kleenex, 3 off 1 Bic razors, 2 off 1 Biofreeze, 1 off 1 Cascade, and 2 off 2 Cascade. Your subtotal after coupons will be $9.75 for 11 items. But it gets even better because you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. You're going to get 1,000 points back on the Scott paper towels and 750 points back on the Kleenex. Then you're also going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get back $1.68 for the Jet Puff Marshmallows. So that'll make your final price $6.32 for 11 items, or just 57 cents each. Now that is a great deal considering all of those paper products that we're getting. Alright guys, so this next one is a pet food deal, and I'm pretty excited about this one. I'm going to try this one out on Saturday if I can find all of these items. So you want to pick up one of the Iams dog food 11-pound bags for $14.50. One of the Iams cat food 3-pound bags for $6.50. 1 Bic Simply Soleil razors for $3.30. 3 of those Cascade travel size for $2.70, and your subtotal will be $27. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. Now this is a little bit of new territory for me. We're going to try stacking the 5 off 25 DG store coupon and the 5 off 20 Iams Pet Food DG Store coupon and see if that works just like the Gain coupon does. So definitely double check, make sure you scan in the store. So you're going to need those 2 coupons, then you're going to need the 3 off 1 Iams dog food and the 3 off 1 Iams cat food, the 3 off 1 Bic razors, the 2 off 2 Cascade, and the 1 off 1 Cascade. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $5 for 6 items, or just 83 cents each. And considering you're getting that big bag of Iams dog food that is normally almost $15, that is a great deal. Alright guys, so we are already at number 5. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Suave Essentials shampoos or conditioners for $2. They are $1 each. 1 of the Bic Simply Soleil razors for $3.30. 1 of the Covergirl eye pencils 2-pack for $4.50. 1 of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste for $2.75. 1 Colgate mouthwash for $5. 1 Colgate Max White toothbrush for $3. 1 of the Always liners for $3.50. 1 Biofreeze patch for $1.75. And 2 of the Pantene Nutrients travel size for $6. Your subtotal is going to be $31.55. The $3 in instant savings for the Colgate is going to come off first at the register, and then your new subtotal will be $28.55. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So you want to make sure you have your 5 off 25, the buy one get one free Suave Essentials, the 3 off 1 Bic razors, the 3 off 1 Covergirl eye, the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste, the 2 off 1 Colgate mouthwash, the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste, the 1 off 1 Always liners, the 2 off 1 Biofreeze, and the 5 off 2 Pantene Nutrients. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $2.55 for 11 items, or just 23 cents each. Alright guys, here we are at scenario number 6 in our low out-of-pocket deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of these Suave Essentials shampoo or conditioners for $2. 2 of the American greeting cards for $2 that are priced at $1 each. 1 of the Bic Simply Soleil razors for $3.30. 1 Biofreeze patch for $1.75. 1 of the Covergirl eye pencils 2-pack for $4.50. 1 Colgate mouthwash at $5. 1 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste for $2.75. 1 of the Colgate Max White toothbrushes for $3. 3 of the Folgers single 7-count for $3, and 3 Cascade travel size for $2.70. Your subtotal is going to be $30. Then that $3 in instant savings is going to come off first at the register for the Colgate, and your new subtotal will be $27. And here's your list of coupons. So your 5 off 25, the buy one get one free Suave Essentials, the buy one get one free American greeting cards, the 3 off 1 Bic, the 2 off 1 Biofreeze, the 3 off 1 Covergirl, the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste, the 2 off 1 Colgate mouthwash, 2 off 1 Colgate toothbrush, the 1 off 1 Folgers, the 1 off 2 Folgers, 1 off 1 Cascade, and 2 off 2 Cascade. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $1 for 16 items, or just 6 cents each. Now that is an awesome deal any day in my book. $1 out of pocket. Now, before you go, I do have a favor to ask of you guys. I like doing the videos how you guys can just go through and take the screenshots, and then you have all of the information that you need. You have your list made out, all that good stuff. But I know that a lot of people do skip through the video and don't let the video play all the way through. So you guys are skipping through, taking your screenshots, and that's fine. I completely understand. Everybody is busy, busy, busy. But if you did that, that's fine. I don't blame you. If you could just hit that replay button at the end of the video, turn your volume all the way down and just let the video play through. I know that it gets aggravating hearing us YouTubers ask you guys to subscribe and hit the thumbs up and leave us comments and all that stuff. But you guys really do make a huge difference, and all of those little things really do make or break a video. So I'm not just telling you guys for me, but for all of the couponers that you watch, don't forget to do all those little things. I mean, just hitting that thumbs up button really does help us out. Now, I do want to address something before I get a ton of comments on it. I know that a lot of you cannot find those Cascade dishwasher packets, and I apologize. I really tried not to put those in every scenario. But with this last minute Huggies glitch being a dead deal, and I kind of had to scramble just to get this video done and out there. And also to kind of keep the subtotals and everything that I had already worked on relatively the same. That was just the next best deal. So on the off chance that you guys can find them, you're going to have some really good deals with that overage. Now keep your eye out, because people have been finding them in weird spots. You know, keep an eye out on that top shelf. Look around your store. They may be in a weird spot somewhere. So if you can't find them, though, I do have an alternative that I just thought about while I was recording this voiceover. We have the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Leave-In Conditioner for $3. We have a 2-off-1 manufacturer coupon, so that'll bring that down to $1. Now, I know that that's not going to give you the overage like the Cascade does, but it is relatively close in price, and that manufacturer coupon is taking off over half of it. So that is a good substitution. If you need more ideas and substitutes, I'm going to link the videos that I posted earlier in the week down in the pinned comment below. So go and check those out if you haven't already, and if you need more ideas for your 5 off $25 scenarios. Alright guys, that is it for me for now. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it was kind of a little bit of a hot mess express, but we got through it. We've got some good scenarios. We've got some good plans. So I wish each and every one of you good luck with your Saturday scenarios. I hope your stores are in stock of everything that you want to pick up and that everything goes smoothly for you. Now, you guys know the deal. Before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It really does help me out. And leave me a comment down below because you guys know I love hearing from you. It really does brighten my day. So leave me a comment down below. And also, please share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, again, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I will see you on the next one.